Hey everyone, welcome to No Guilt Just Pleasure. This is a dish which is inspired by a Singaporean cuisine and it's just made up with rice and capsicum mainly, and minimal amount of ingredients are required for this, and this is so tasty that once you eat it you're gonna need it every evening for your snacks. So let's get cooking. Let's take a cauldron. When it's a little hot, put some oil in it, and I prefer mustard oil for this dish to make it more special. Then toss in the onions, and we don't have to wait for them to get completely cooked. Put the capsicum along side and keep the flame on a very high side because we don't want the vegetables to get cooked totally. We want them crispy, crunchy, and a little bit cooked. So as you saw, the flame is really high. The original version of this dish is really hot and spicy. They add a lot of red chili into it. If you like that, do that. Now here is the ingredient that's most important for this, which is soy sauce. I want a mild version for myself, so I'm not adding any chilies. And now sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. Don't add too much salt because soy sauce has salt too, and you don't want it to become too salty. And the flame's still high. So this is almost ready, and we prepared the rice beforehand. So now all we have to do is to take a bowl and put these two things, rice and what we just prepared, in layers in a bowl. First layer is of rice, then goes our veggie. So you just saw it got prepared just like that in minutes. That's how easy it is to hit the subscribe button. It takes seconds and no energy at all, I guess. Yeah, we're tapping on buttons all day. So while you're doing that, we're just going to invert it onto a little or a big plate as per your liking, whichever plate you want to eat it in. Boom, there we go. Just a few steps of garnish and it's ready to be served. I loved it and everybody in my house loved it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button because you're gonna love the recipes that we share. And if you like this particular video, hit the like button, spread the love, share it with all of your friends and families. So we have put green chilies and onions on top of it, and now comes a final garnish step, which is pouring soy sauce onto it. As we didn't add a lot of salt in either the rice or the veggies, putting soy sauce right now is a really good step, and it tastes awesome with sauteed capsicum and onions. This dish is going to take your taste buds away for a while because they're going to be shocked by the taste of it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay happy, healthy, and guilt-free. Until then, enjoy this dish. Make sure you try it because it's really good. It's healthy and it's tasty and it's easy to prepare. Till then, stay happy.